Hi, my name is Frank. Welcome to Sportsland. We're going to do a quick little walkthrough on this Winnebago Minnie Flex Micro Minnie 2100 bunkhouse. Want to go through some of the evolution changes of trailers that we've come out to. This is the off-the-grid package in the Winnebago Flex package, which means they come with 2 lithium batteries from the factory. They actually will come with a 3,000 watt inverter that's going to transform DC into AC power, which you can also run your air conditioning unit for up to 3 to 4 hours without generator. Yes, without generator. Power up your microwave, power up all the outlets, charge your phones, plug in the laptop, work off the grid on this thing. This is just a fantastic feature trailer. It's on the market right now. I was going to walk through a few quick things here. The stickers on the front do mean quite a bit. 3-year structural warranty on this. We have a 12-year warranty on the roofing material, the TPO roofing. 3-year structural warranty, bumper to bumper on this trailer. They also have the Comfort Tech package and the Explorer package. Explorer package going to be your torsion suspension on the axles, which give that independent suspension for each tire on these. They are Goodyear rated and Wrangler tires on either or. So these are big beefy tires meant for these axle aluminum alloy rims. They just do a fantastic job. You can check out the Lion's Head. We do have a 1-year policy on this for any kind of roadside assistance. No question guarantee on the tires, up to a 5-year warranty on these tires. They really go a long way with these trailers. They make them rugged. They make them for the off-grid package here in the Western Coast. We do have your through storage. And as you can see up inside here, when we do have aluminum structure, the framing, this is all aluminum framed all the way around. Aluminum trusses across the roof, fully walkable roof, as well as that 12-year warranty on the material on the roof. They come with 2 200-watt solar panels to feed and charge those lithium batteries back up, which once again, they do come from the factory. They are warranted up to 5 years. We do have a lot of structure built in this. Underneath here, we do have a propane quick connect, which you can throw a splitter on that. Here at our Sportsland parts store, they do have a splitter that's a quick connect goes on there. Now you have 2 ports of barbecue, gas grill, fireplace, anything along that line. Walking around real quick, we're going to see the fiberglass front cap. Just a beautiful front cap to this. High front wall for stone chips and road debris coming up and hitting that on your travels. We do have an electric tongue jack. Quick up and down. Something like this, even with a larger vehicle, we still recommend an equalizer hitch. This just makes it so easy to bring up and down to set up on your equalizer hitch on something like that. 2 propane tanks. We would have to get batteries. Your case here, if they didn't come with lithium, this is still a battery pocket. Lithium batteries are housed inside, locked away. They do not need ventilation. They're not a lead acid battery, so we can enclose those batteries and keep them safe. They're expensive. Coming in here, we do have your big breaker switch right here, which actually will disassemble your power. You also have a button there which you can shut off for your lithium. You do have an additional, if you ever did want to, plug in for another solar panel, external panel. Of course, you can see your through storage. A lot of nice big storage in here. Your slide out, to go real quick on the walk through on the outside. Slide out's going to be your dinette slide. Once we get inside, you'll check that out. I love this feature about the Winnebago product. We have these in the 1700 bunkhouse, the 1800 bunkhouse, 2100. This side access door is amazing. To flip up this bunk, this becomes all storage. As you can get through on this side and check that out. You do have a good size storage package in here. Drop it down when you unload everything. You got a bunk and a bunk up top as well. Really nice storage. We've had people take that mesh down underneath here, turn this into a mattress and a dog bed up underneath here as well. Closes up, locks up, just like any other door. Load up, easy access. Quick little things out here, 30-amp power source service that sets up your water for your city water connection, satellite and park cable hookup. I love the feature of this where you can see where everything is tucked up nice and high. You can see where your water drainage is. That is just fantastic. It's above your axles. You're not worried about traveling over something. It doesn't compromise the rest of the trailer that's already built up and doesn't compromise its height of the trailer itself, so you can roll over things. I love how it has the hitch. It has a 2-inch receiver hitch back here that actually will accommodate a bike rack, a small lightweight trailer. You do have your hot and cold outside shower, and that makes it very convenient out the back over here. You could actually clap, if you do have one of those collapsible outside toilet tents, set it up out here. You can actually take a nice hot shower outside. Love this feature, not the aluminum rim, but full size spare tire. You're not traveling in a small donut to get to where you need to go if you get a blowout or a flat somewhere. Voyager camera pre-set up for your backup camera. Fantastic. I love how the coffered ceilings are like that. That just drips away that water. Nothing sits on pockets in the middle of this trailer. It just washes away up on top. Another key feature on this, talk about these just fantastic stabilizing jacks. Single arm, once again, not compromising the actual height and the clearance that you have on this trailer. You actually have these, a single arm comes up and tucks up nice and tight up against that trailer. And they are independent electric jacks. That makes it just so nice when you're on uneven, unlevel ground and you have to drop one more than the other one. You can actually have that independent setup for all 4 corners, which is fantastic. The awning, I want to talk about the awning real quick. It is an electric awning. It does have a shock absorber. We don't have it out all the way, but as you can see how this shock right here keeps that tension. So you have a little bit of wind bouncing. As you're bringing it in, it's tension, so you roll that tight up on that so you don't have less chance of it catching and playing kite and flipping up and over. Keeps that nice and snug. We are talking about just a quick outside water fill up. You do have your spray port right here, an additional spray port you just plug in. You can actually hose off your feet, your dogs, your kids, your wife. You're going to go right there. There's little 110 outlets. That'll make it really convenient for anything outside you want to use, electric cooking, coffee maker, anything like that. Once again, go to flush this out. This is your black tank flush. This right here is your exhaust for your furnace. You are talking about part cable. You want to set a TV. They actually put a backer plate right here into the aluminum studs, which the aluminum studs in these also have wood studs inside the aluminum. So you're talking about a boxed piece of wood with aluminum around it. You're drilling into all the cabinets, same thing on the inside. Huge structure build with a galvanized plate. So if you want to hang a bracket out here, screw in your bracket, you have cable TV, you have your plug-in for the power for the TV. If you ever choose to do so, it's here. Come on inside, we'll check this out. Coming to the back, in this we do have a 12-volt refrigerator, much bigger access, up to a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. It is 12 volt running off the inverter, which the solar powers. Charge the batteries. Batteries turn the inverter. Inverter charges the, runs the refrigerator. You can run your microwave off of the 3,000 watt inverter. You don't have an oven in here, so this is convection microwave oven. Nice stainless steel farm sink. Gives you a lot of room for soaking product in here. TV will run off the batteries as well, which is hence the inverter. You do have a DVD player, runs to your TV. A lot of cabinet space. We really love this. I mean, you do have no oven underneath here, but you do have your storage that actually you can put nice big pots and pans, plates, everything. I really like the storage and the way they do these in the Winnebago. They've added these doors a couple years ago, which made a huge hurt in the industry, so you don't have to flip the cushions up every time you want to get in underneath the storage containers. You do have your bunk beds. Bunk beds back here. Good sized bunk bed. You can sleep an adult. 250 pound for the top. I think it's 350 for the bottom. That one will flip up. That's the one we were showing outside, and your storage up underneath. Going into the bathroom real quick. Coming in here, you have your toilet set up. A lot of leg space, which is good. Getting in here to the shower itself, I'm 6 foot, and you can tell you've got plenty of room in here. Good size, you're not bonking everywhere. I do like this feature. It's rounded, and you do have, this is flexible, so you don't have a glass door which you're just banging into. This actually gives you a lot of flexible room for turning around and showering. Coming out, we do show the dinette. dinette will drop down easily. A little lever underneath here drops this down. This will actually drop down onto the benches itself. You do have these supports on the bottom. These will actually come in for your filler for the table. This is another bed. Accommodate sleeping. I do want to talk about your air conditioning. Low profile AC that is running off your lithium batteries, which actually runs off your inverter. 13.5, so it's a 13,500 BTU. We're not lessening the motor size or any kind of obstruction of any airflow whatsoever. This will accommodate this trailer and chill it down nicely. We do have your queen bed. You do have storage up underneath, and this storage is going to be, as you can see the light from underneath, is going to be your storage through your pass-through storage to get to that as well. Guys, we'd really love to have you come down to Sportsland and check this out. The Flexes are flying off the shelves. They're doing great. A lot of people have been waiting for this trailer to come on the market. It's here. We have them. Come walk through.